Hello, it's Marco, and I make this tutorial because there were a few questions um, about starting up the bot with your own button. But there were questions. Well, you've made a tutorial how you can open the bot and quit the bot with a button. But is it also possible to do it in a navigation bar? And of course it is. And as you can see, it works perfectly, just like the button. It's in Elementor again, but you can do it also in other team builders. Doesn't matter. And what you have to do is to make a code, and it's this code. And what you have to do on this section where I have blurred it out because it's my code, and you have to embed your own code. And this is a test bot, so it doesn't matter. So you have to embed this code without bot, and you have to put it in here. When you have done that, then you have to copy this whole code, and then you have to go to your website and go to menu, and then you have to make a link, a custom link. It's Dutch because I'm also making this tutorial for my Dutch friends. And then you have to embed it in the navigation label, and the URL is just how we did it with the buttons. You have to put this code in the URL, and then when you go to your navigation bar and you hit the particular button, actually it's not a button, but when you hit it, then Quriobot will start, and when you hit it again, it stops. Notice that the name is op de hoogte blijven. Again, it's Dutch. You can see it here. So you have to put in your own description, and then it will appear on top of the navigation bar. Alright, there was another question about calculations. I've promised you guys that I will make a tutorial with all those JavaScripts to make an excellent calculating bot. But unfortunately I am very busy, so it will come. But I give you a quick view for what you can do when you will multiply numbers. This is the new code that you have to embed when the bot doesn't work properly. It's a new term that they use in Java. So instead of var, you use let. We can change it also here. It will cost less problems when you do it this way, because it's the new way of writing JavaScript for that particular code. And then we have to save it. And as you can see, I have made two variables, and the new term is let, and I've put them under each other, and this is number 2. So we have the callback function number, so this number, multiply it with 5, and then plus number 2. this one multiplied with hundreds. And as you can see when we open the bots, that is me cleaning my lamps. If we put in a number and we put in another number, and the bot will give the results. So that was it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.